So welcome back to another video. So sorry for not uploading for I think it's been a week. But honestly because we got a dog, we've been trying to train it and it's a little bit hard to upload videos. But I'm going to try, and one important thing also. Just so you know, because schools are opening soon, for me at the 11th of September, well, pretty much that day it's not going to be a big deal. I think that on after the 25th of September, I'm not going to do so many videos because then the tests are going to start to pop up because because like the I don't remember what it's called, bruh, because I think that that they give us for a homework on, they are not that hard usually the first 2 weeks, honestly. They are nothing compared to the exams because this is the most important part because I'm going to 8th grade. But anyway, so the new Brawl Talk is dropping tomorrow at 6 p.m. my time. I'm not going to react with someone, we'll see, maybe. We'll see if I react, maybe not. But okay. The brawler, it looks like that he has a teammate on his back, like bruh. Okay, this is very weird. Bruh. Well, it's okay, but I hope, first of all, the brawler that is going to complete a trio, it's the Gold Arm Gang for sure, after the hype charge animation that we saw. I am pretty sure that this brawler, the chromatic, is going to be at the Gold Arm Gang, which, fun fact, this is the first trio with 3 brawlers with the same rarity, I think, if I am not wrong. Anyway, but there is going to be a new mecha skin now. I am really excited for this one because I think that Mr. P has a very good chance at a mecha skin because the little robot porter thing, I think that if Mr. P is going to get picked on the next mecha skin, I think that it's going to be the little porter his head, like bruh, because I have seen one fan made skin and it's really cool. But we'll see. Now the hyper, I'm not going to talk about the hyper charge, but well, it seems to be interesting, so we'll see. I hope they add like a club league skin. I think that they have to add a club league skin because on the last club league skin, Pizza Venas, it was at season at season 15, which bruh, this is almost a year ago. I am excited for the roadmap and the lore. Now I have seen one sneak peek which got really into my eye, which one suggests that the chromatic brawler is going to be named Pearl, which in history this was the daughter of Belle, we'll see, and the other named Chuck, which, okay, the Chuck, bruh, the Chuck name is cool. I hope the other brawler is either mythic or epic. Well, if he is a legendary, I don't have a problem, but I think at season 21 he's going to a legendary brawler is going to be a legendary. But anyway, so I think that you saw this link right here. Now this will take me into Brawl Stars. I have already the pin. So yeah, but I have to give a shout out because I am the second person that ever got this pin. And the first person, everybody who is it and sent me the link, it's Negreb.
Mommy needs to find a host.
Well, bruh, I already have the reward.
Be better, please.
You can clearly see it here now. This is the Wasteland pin. But I have to say that bruh, it's a very cool pin. Oh, and the challenge is coming soon. I hope all of you enjoyed the video. Oh, bruh, we can see Negreb here.
Oh, that's gotta
Of course, I'm blurring his ID, but well, I'm going to finish the video here. But if you like the video, I suggest you drop a like, a subscribe, and share it to other people if you find this helpful. So bye.